What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Security Bank credit cards. Kasi guys, merong 6 na credit cards sa Security Bank. Nandito yung secured credit card at saka yung corporate Mastercards. At saka yung 4 na regular credit card ng Security Bank. So kung paano yan para malaman nyo lahat, panoorin nyo itong full video para malaman nyo kung ano yung meron sa Security Bank credit cards. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience in the future. Kaya naman, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe for more videos. Yun lang po at maraming salamat. Again, yung topic natin ngayon is Security Bank credit cards. Secured credit card at saka yung corporate Mastercard at saka yung credit card ng Security Bank na walang annual fee. May isa kasing credit card yung Security Bank na no annual fee for life. At saka meron siyang pang business na credit card which is tinatawag nilang corporate Mastercard. Nandito yung Security Bank Platinum Mastercard, yung Security Bank World Mastercard, Security Bank Gold Mastercard, Security Bank Complete Cashback Platinum Mastercard. Pag-uusapan din natin yung annual fees ng bawat credit card ng Security Bank. Malalaman nyo rin guys sa vlog na ito kung paano mag-apply ng credit card sa Security Bank na sure na ma-approve kayo, hindi kayo ma-decline sa credit card application nyo. At nais ko lang din malaman ninyo guys na yung 4 na regular credit card ng Security Bank is naka-waive yung first year niya. So mamaya malalaman nyo kung magkano yung annual fee ng bawat isa. Yung first year nun, halimbawa inisyuhan kayo ngayon, magbibilang kayo ngayon ng 12 months, free yun. Pagka 13th month, saka kayo matcha-charge ng certain amount kung magkano yung annual fee ng hawak nyong credit card. So, uunahin ko na guys, yung no annual fee na credit card ng Security Bank. Uunahin natin yung Wave Mastercard. Ayan, nakikita nyo guys, ito lang yung credit card ng Security Bank na no annual fee. Nag-iisa siya. Yan, nakikita nyo, Wave Mastercard, enjoy no annual fee forever. 1% cashback on online spend and a lower interest rate of 2.5%. Maximum rebate amount of 3,000 per annum. So, ibig sabihin guys, sa isang taon, 3,000 lang yung magiging rebates nyo. Ayan, nakikita nyo, no annual fee forever, 1% cashback on online spend, get up to 3,000 cashback annually. A minimum of 1,000 pesos spend is required to earn. So, ibig sabihin, 1,000 per transaction yung kailangan nyo para ma-qualify kayo sa 1% cashback sa online spend. Then yung features and benefits niya, worldwide acceptance, shop at ease with affiliated merchants worldwide. So ibig sabihin international, pwede mong gamitin yung Wave Mastercard ng Security Bank, exclusive Mastercard promos, get discounts at your favorite shops and restaurants. Kasi minsan nagpo-promo yung credit cards, minsan 50%, ganyan, depende siya sa promo. Supplementary credit cards, get up to 5 cards. Share the benefits of your credit card with loved ones. Ibig sabihin, pwede siyang i-share. May local lounge access to local airport lounges at preferential rates. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya free. Preferential rate. Ibig sabihin, may discount. E-commerce, purchase protection insurance. May insurance siya sa e-commerce. Pag sinabing e-commerce, online shopping siya. Then, next natin pag-uusapan guys is yung secured credit card. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Naririnig nyo naman siguro yan, yung secured credit card ng Security Bank. Ayan, nakikita nyo, yung term nila guys is fast track card. So, secured credit card yan. Apply for a fast track card with Easy Savings account. So, ibig sabihin, with Easy Savings account, bundled siya. May credit card ka at saka may savings account. Kasi ang mangyayari dyan guys, secured credit card siya, may minimum holdout amount, which is amounting to 25,000 pesos. So, yun. Yung secured credit card ng Security Bank is 25,000 yung holdout amount. So, ibig sabihin, mag-open kayo ng savings account, then ipapahold mo yung 25,000 para ma-qualify kayo sa secured credit card. Automatic ho yung approval dyan. Kaya naman masasabi kong credit card with sure approval sa Security Bank dahil dito sa secured credit card na may holdout amount na 25,000 pesos. So, yun lang siya. Ganun lang kabilis. Siyempre, dapat 18 years old pataas kayo at saka may valid ID. Ganun, siyempre, yung other as is yun. Pero, for sure approval, 25,000 yung requirements para ma-approve yung secured credit card nyo. Then next natin pag-uusapan guys is yung corporate Mastercard. Worldwide acceptance shop at ease with affiliated merchants worldwide. Ayan, nakikita nyo yung Security Bank Corporate. Free travel insurance coverage of up to 5 million. Get coverage on accidents and more when you charge your travel expenses to your card. 50% of your card limit is available as cash advance. Access it at any Security Bank Banknet and Megalink ATMs nationwide or at any MasterCard. So ano ibig sabihin ng cash advance? Pwede kayong makapag-withdraw ng cash para kayo may savings pero utang yun. May karampatang interest yun. Tapos guys, yung eligibility dito sa corporate MasterCard is duly registered to operate as a business in the Philippines. Kasi corporate, when we say corporate, it's about business. Must be operating and profitable for at least 3 years. Hold amount of 125,000 pesos for newly established company, less than 3 years. Kapag less than 3 years yung company ninyo, may holdout amount na 125,000. Ano ibig sabihin nun? I-hold doon sa account ninyo yung 125,000. Must have no outstanding debt that exceeds 40% of the company's monthly income. So wala kayo dapat utang. Pag sinabing ganon, dapat yung company nyo is walang utang na lumalagpas sa 40% sa kinikita buwan-buwan ng iyong business. Dapat hindi lalagpas sa 40% yung utang ng company nyo. Required documents, AFS, which is Audited Financial Statements, AFS, with BIR stamp for the last 3 years or in-house FS showing positive net income for the past 3 years. So, yun, dapat positive yung income nyo, yung financial statement nyo sa nakalipas na 3 taon. Latest General Information Sheet, list of customers and suppliers with the contract person and contact number. So, kailangan din yun. Income tax return with BIR stamps for the last 3 years. Kailangan din yun. Company profile, company application form, SEC registration. So, Security Exchange Commission, dapat register yung business nyo, of course. Articles of incorporation and bylaws. Valid ID, of course, of authorized signatory. Hold an amount of 125,000 for newly established company. So, ganun siya. Then, move on tayo ngayon guys sa regular credit card ng Security Bank, which is nandito na yung Security Bank Platinum Mastercard. So, pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung minimum annual income requirement ng Security Bank Platinum Mastercard. Ayan, nakikita nyo, 780,000 yung required sa Security Bank Platinum Mastercard. Yung monthly interest niya, kapag hindi nyo nabayaran yung outstanding balance, nagbayad lang kayo ng minimum amount due, 3% yung ipapataw dun sa remaining balance, 3% siya. Tapos yung annual fee niya guys is 4,000 pesos. Then punta naman tayo ngayon sa Security Bank World Mastercard. Minimum annual income is 3 million. Sa Security Bank World Mastercard, 3 million siya, yung nakikita nyo. Then same lang din, 3% yung monthly interest. Yung annual fee is 5,000 per year. Tapos sa Security Bank Gold Mastercard, minimum annual income is 360,000. Interest niya, same lang din, 3%. Annual fee, 2,500 per year. Then punta naman tayo ngayon sa Security Bank Complete Cashback Platinum Mastercard. Yung minimum annual income niya is 780,000. Yung monthly effective interest rate is 3%. Then annual fee is 3,000 per year. So yun yung 4 na regular credit card ng Security Bank. So I guess that's all for now guys. Thank you so much for watching. So it's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!